बिहार को
अच्छा, ये आपका कौन है? पिताजी है। इनका नाम क्या है?
कपिल देव राय।
तो इनका तो जनवरी महीने में एक्सीडेंट हुआ था, जनवरी 2024 में।
हाँ सर,
तब बोलिए जो किस दिन हुआ था एक्सीडेंट?
जनवरी मास में 6 तारीख को हुआ था।
अच्छा अच्छा, अब थोड़ा बोल के जाइए कैसे हुआ था, उसके बाद इनका क्या हुआ?
हुआ था बड़ा बाजार में क्रॉस कर रहा था।
बड़बाजार कलकत्ता में।
हाँ,
अच्छा,
क्रॉस कर रहा, बस वाला ठोकर मार दिया, एक्सीडेंट हो गया।
मैंने एक ठीक से बोलिए, बास वाला
धीरे धीरे बोलिए।
बास वाला मार दिया,
हाँ,
मतलब
बस वाला मतलब धक्का मारा है।
मतलब पीछे से धक्का मारा।
पीछे से धक्का मारा।
और आपका पिताजी थोड़ा माथा में हेवी वेट कैरी कर रहे थे ना?
हाँ,
अच्छा अच्छा, तो आपको खबर कैसे मिला?
खबर मिला, ट्रॉफी पुलिस वाला लेके गया पिताजी।
अच्छा, आपको फोन किया था ट्रैफिक
पुलिस वाला और इनके साथ जो काम करने वाला था
हाँ।
उनके पास फोन किया था।
अच्छा, फोन में क्या बोला था उनको?
वो जो एक्सीडेंट हो गया, जो इधर गिर गया, जो चोट लग गया जो थाना में।
अच्छा,
अभी
तो
इनको
आप इनको 6 तारीख को एक्सीडेंट हुआ, उसके बाद कब इनको पहले देखा? फर्स्ट टाइम कब देखा? 6 तारीख एक्सीडेंट के बाद?
हम 7 तारीख को
7 तारीख को जब देखा, इनका हालत कैसा था?
पूरा बेहोश में था।
पूरा बेहोश में था और हाथ पर पैर भी हिला नहीं।
नहीं था।
उस वक्त कौन हॉस्पिटल में था? इस हॉस्पिटल में और दूसरा कुछ हॉस्पिटल?
नहीं, ये तो क्या बोलता है,
मारवाड़ी हॉस्पिटल।
मारवाड़ी में सिटी स्कैन करवाए तो
उधर ही था, मारवाड़ी रिलीफ हो रहा। और तो आप इस हॉस्पिटल में लेके आए कब?
वही 7 तारीख
7 तारीख को
उसी दिन।
उस अच्छा, तो उस बेहोश अवस्था में आप वेंटिलेटर में था? हाँ हाँ हाँ। तो now this patient came on 7th of January to the Priyojan General Hospital, Rajabazar, Kolkata, with GCS 3/15 on ventilation and the CT scan finding of severe traumatic frontal and parietal hemorrhagic contusion with severe brain swelling and midline shift to 10 mm. I'm a neurosurgeon, so I decided the patient. I immediately put the patient in the ICU with ventilation with my internal medicine colleague, Dr. Sumit Rai, and then decided as soon as possible the patient, the brain, the compressed brain and the severely brain under pressure has to be decompressed. Otherwise, the normal brain, which is not damaged, that will also be damaged by the secondary process. This part of the brain is damaged by the accident, and for that brain is getting swelled. But as brain is covered with a hard skull, so a problem here is there is severe pressure, and that pressure causes damage to the surrounding brain matter, and thus every part of brain is important for various types of works a human being can do. But the main thing of life is the basic thing of life is movement of heart and movement of lung, and if that area is compressed, and then life will be stopped. So as soon as to save the life of the patient, and also to reduce the brain part damage, I decided to decompress the patient surgically. So we did the decompressive hemicraniectomy of the right side, right frontotemporal parietal. After that, patient gradually improved, and that damaged brain, damaged part of the skull bone was to be discarded. Then the patient gradually recovered, and patient was discharged 15 days after with the advice of antibiotics and physiotherapy, and was also advised to come after 2 weeks for the follow-up. And the plan was we did decompressive hemicraniectomy, and the brain got relaxed and patient gradually improved. But after this part of the skull bone is damaged, and that for the sake of the saving life that time, during the first OT time, patient was the damaged skull bone was removed, and if you see the CT scan like this, this part of the skull bone was damaged by the accident. So damaged skull bones removed, and that relieved the pressure on the adjacent brain areas. We also did the damage. We also removed the damaged brain also, because damaged brain, if there is, that will release the inflammatory substance, and that will cause the damage to the normal brain. So not only we did the decompression by the removing the skull, part of skull, but also some damaged and devitalized brain tissue. So and also we did the life-saving various drugs and with the intensive nursing care by the consultants, RMOs, OT technicians, ICU technicians. This patient, we are lucky that this patient we discharged that time. After that, patient came and we did the coverage of the brain with coverage of the brain with coverage of the brain with cranioplasty mesh. Cranioplasty mesh. Last CT scan, and that coverage was done by the coverage of the done this part of the skull bone. This is the titanium. The titanium is a special metal that is compatible to our life. This titanium is